Look at this video. Over 360,000 views less than 2 weeks ago. You're probably telling yourself this is a very old channel. They have a lot of subscribers. No, has about 1,000 subscribers only. And you know when this channel started? Less than a month ago. January 25th, 2024. If you want to know how did it do it, let's just go into it straight away. And just mentioning before we do that, if you look at videos like from Josh Mayo, he says, I have a revolutionary new faceless YouTube side hustle using AI and I'm gonna make you $700 a day. From experience, and we talk about this guy already once in our channel, if you try whatever he's telling you here, it's gonna be pretty much unsuccessful. First of all, it's very complicated. He's not getting to the point. It's 12 minutes that he's talking about what. Except for the beginning of the video that maybe makes sense. That he says, yes, you can use AI to basically read out a story instead of using your own voice. That's the only thing that actually is benefiting you here. But let's just close it and let's get straight into it, okay? So this is a very new channel. It's less than a month ago. About 1,300 subscribers and a lot of video views. How come? So what they did is basically they posted videos by reading stories. All the thumbnails are pretty much the same. They put the text for the story over here with a nice image. Could be a Shutterstock image. You can get a lot of places where you can get free images that, you know, just putting here yellow background with then all of a sudden what unfolded next. And a lot of people actually like to listen to stories, especially when YouTube is actually developing itself and people are driving and they don't want to hear some music on the radio. They just want to hear a nice story. So this is a channel that's actually providing it for them. Look at the type of video. Look what you're seeing here.
My wife and daughter left me when I was ill. Years later, they came back to take over my house. But let's start from the beginning.
All he's doing is just reading out a story. That's it. The background remains the same throughout the video. You don't need to do what Joshua Mayo is telling you, that you need to look for many nice video clips. You can just keep the background the same. All you're doing here is telling a story. Look at the name of the channel, Revenge Story Hub, okay? And people actually relating to this video, and those comments seem to be genuine. When you see edited comment, good job, and they actually listen to it, that means that people actually care. Especially when you see edited comments, that means the comments are probably genuine. And so this is probably one of the most successful videos this channel has. That's probably the pinnacle for now. They have other videos in their channel with 100 views, 165, 300, 2,000, but it's still working. Let's take this one, for example, Unveiling the Shocking Truth. My husband wanted a divorce. So people like to listen to it because this is a story that has a little bit of something interesting here. And if we check it out.
After not laying eyes on him for a month, John abruptly handed me a divorce lawyer's business card without bothering to ask, "Are you okay?"
So he's using a different voice. This is a lady voice. But still, nonetheless, it's working well. 13,000 views. And look at the title, Unveiling the Shocking Truth. So if you use a nice title and use good hashtags here and as well as text, then YouTube is gonna take it into account and it's gonna put this video on their main page and make people listen to it, watch it, whatever that is. It's working, right? And what this channel is making right now, less than a month ago, normally those numbers are pretty accurate. The numbers on the right, not the numbers on the left. With Social Blade, this channel is making close to $2,000 a month. Imagine how much they would make maybe 1 month from now, 3 months from now. And here's something that maybe no one else is going to tell you, and this is something that you should really listen. Imagine if you can actually do it in another language. If you speak another language, for instance, in Spanish, probably the competition or something like that in Spanish is not even available on YouTube. So you're going to be probably among the first ones that can do something like this, a YouTube channel like this in your own language. Is it going to work with AI, meaning that you won't have to record yourself and simply just record yourself only once just for the purposes of AI, and then the AI would just tell the story for you instead of you recording it in a foreign language? It's not so clear because right now AI is still developing itself. Okay, but even in the worst case scenario, if you do it in Spanish with your own voice and you're recording the entire thing, it's still going to be worth pretty much a lot because you're going to do something unique. And you can see this is a unique way of making money on YouTube, right? And it's simple, using the same background, okay, and only just changing the text, which is easier to edit in a video. And you don't need to look for many different video clips, and you don't need to do what other people are telling you, like to make it so complicated. It's not so complicated. You can keep it simple, and by keeping things simple, that's the best way to actually make money on YouTube. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. The promo code that is given for our sites will be in the video description. Some of you are asking where is the video description. So this text is the video description, okay? It's just probably unclear for some viewers, so just want to make sure it's clear. So the promo code will be in the text here, but the promo code is not the main emphasis here. What we're giving you here is a great advice and great tip how you can start your own YouTube channel and make a lot of money from it, especially when you take into account a channel like this as an example, only 19 uploads less than a month ago, and they are making a very nice chunk of profits already from the channel. And look at the views they have. These are very nice numbers, and they seem to be organic numbers as well. So that's telling you, making even in one day $500 in one single day. That actually can bring you to make $700 a day, sorry, just like Joshua Mayer was saying. But just follow a simple advice. So if you like the video, again, let us know, and please drop us comments if you have any feedback about it. If you like the idea, if you don't like the idea, if you have any questions about it, we definitely appreciate your comments. So please, by all means, drop your comments. We appreciate when you drop your comments. And as always, thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.